Hey everybody, this video got a broken commercial lever, and I'm just gonna get the cylinder out of it just for the hell of it here. Mostly out of boredom here with this lockdown stuff. It's been kind of slow. I got some Lishis here. I know this is pin 5 because I had to rekey the new one, so I do know it's pin 5. So we'll use the SC1 Lishi. If I wasn't sure, I'd usually start with the SC4 because I know those can have a 6th pin in them, and no fun trying to pick around with a 5-pin tool when there's a 6th pin behind it. So see if we can get this to work here. It just has to be turned clockwise for the cylinder to release out of the lever. So got a Lishi in there. Let me zoom in here so we can all see. Alright, I think that's going to work. And so start on position 1, springy, 2, springy, 3, springy, 4 is binding. Click on 4, 5 springy, 1 springy. Okay, 2 is binding. Nice, click on 2, take 3 springy, 4 good, little click on 5, and 1 still springy. 2 is good, okay, 3 is binding. Click on 3. Okay, 4 is still good. 5, not sure on 5, but I'll leave it alone. 1's binding again. Could click on 1. Okay, and just touch 3 and it turns. So got her open. And here it can, decode it or whatever, but I just want to get the lever out. So to do that, just got to have the cylinder turn 90 degrees. This needs to be in its home position. And then we got a little retaining clip here, so I'm going to press this in. Should be able to get the lever off. Make sure it's in the right spot here. Yeah. Okay, got it. All right, so cylinder stayed stuck right there, so we get that guy out. And see our tailpiece, there's a little bit bent on it. They really abused the hell out of this thing. So anyway, no reason to gut it or make a key or anything. I just wanted to just do a Lishi video. Said I'm kind of bored here, locked down by myself, not much going on. Questions, comments, or anything, leave them in the comments. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.